let's try to turn this on. Oh, Scheiße, it doesn't have battery at all. So it's too late now to charge it. Maybe I should have done it at home. This is the part 2. We are going to open this one and let's insert the battery. Wait, let me check if it's the correct spot. There you go. Correct battery. Okay, let's close this now. Okay. Why on earth can I not close this one? Okay, so I'll figure this out. So I finally got it now. I inserted it the wrong direction. So once you insert the battery, there's this lock lever in here that automatically locks it in, and voila. Oh my god, that's the first step. Was my footage using the Sony E10 or the EV-Z10 here in the Constellation Metz festival. I barely had time to practice on the camera. I used it immediately after opening the box. I barely had time to charge the battery. That's why I was able to use it for just a few minutes, like around 30 minutes I guess. And I'm excited to see the outcome. I still think I need to have like an entire afternoon to study the entire camera. I need to practice on it, and hopefully I'll get better at it. And I would like to give a shout out to my favorite photographers in the Philippines, my mentors, Fort Ligara, John Mayo, and John Unson. So like, I'm just so happy I finally got myself a big boy camera. So if you're asking what camera am I using right now, I'm using my phone to record this one. So until next time, ciao!